Hello, everyone. In a shocking turn of events, one of the investigating officers assigned to the controversial case of Thabo Bester has tragically died. The officer, who also held the position of provisional head of the organized crime in Free State, reportedly took his own life on Monday. The circumstances surrounding his death remain surrounded in uncertainty, leaving many questions unanswered. The SAPS released a statement on Monday afternoon confirming the officer's death and acknowledging the ongoing police investigation into the incident. However, the police refrained from divulging more information, stating that it's too early to discuss the matter publicly. With Bester case continuing to make headlines and gaining public attention, the latest development has only intensified the public's interest. The news of the officer's death sent shockwaves, with the police saying the family members of the deceased have been referred to psychological services for much needed support to help them cope with the loss. The SAPS stated the SAPS can confirm the death of one of the investigators into the Thabo Bester escape case. Circumstances surrounding the senior officer's death, who is also provincial head of organized crime in the Free State province, remains the subject of a police investigation. The SAPS management wishes not to discuss this matter in the public domain at this early stage. In-house employee health and wellness experts, which include chaplains, have been dispatched to provide psychological services to the family and colleagues of the deceased member. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.